Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Gotta love viewer pictures. When I saw this one when I got in this morning, I went, what? Apparently it's a moth. It was sent in to us by an anonymous viewer asking, what is it? If you happen to know, and I think we already have an answer on my Facebook page, John Scalzi ABC7, we already have a viewer response who thinks they know what that is. If you want to weigh in, go into that Facebook page and put your idea on there, and I think we'll announce it here pretty soon. That's a really incredible shot. Kind of freaky too, right? It's like it's staring right back at you. Anyway, it's apparently a very common moth. I've never seen one. 68 degrees, the air temperature, dew point value the same. 68 temperature match, dew point match, 100% relative humidity. Feels kind of sticky out there. It feels almost spring-like, really, to tell you the truth. I mean, this temperature, you add on 3 degrees, that would be our normal daytime high temperature. We'll hit that by probably 9 o'clock this morning, 72 by around 9. Mix of sun and fair weather clouds as we head into the afternoon. We'll work in a slight chance at a shower, but not much of one. By the time we hit 3, 83 with a 10% chance of an inland shower, mostly Hardee, DeSoto counties, inland Charlotte. 73 as we get into about 7 o'clock at night under fair skies. Sky conditions now are pretty quiet. We don't have much in the way of any kind of inclement weather out there. There's certainly no fog. There's no rain. Everything looks pretty good. A little bit of fair weather cloudiness. That's about it. Winds coming up out of the south, really drawing in that moisture, making it feel just a little bit humid out there. As we head into the probably lunchtime hours, we'll see temperatures cracking the 80-degree mark at that point. And in most locations, they'll probably hit mid-80s by the time we get into the afternoon, inland anyway. About a 10%, as I mentioned, chance of a shower later in the afternoon into the evening hours, but nothing very heavy. Maybe a slightest little chance at an isolated thunderstorm, but that's really not a very big chance. We'll have across our region right now quiet conditions, and that'll be the case throughout the day, despite the fact that we have some pretty good showery activity stretching from the New England coastline all the way through the mid-Atlantic back into the deep south and exiting into the northern Gulf Coast. That stays put. Doesn't come our way. It remains a focal point for shower and thunderstorm activity throughout the afternoon, though. And as I mentioned, not really a severe chance, just a stalled frontal boundary. That frontal boundary actually will start to decay in basically the same place. Maybe by midweek, we'll get a little bit of some drier air working its way in as we get kind of a backdoor cold front from that system, but it's not going to be a big deal. Warm and humid, isolated sprinkle, and then partly sunny skies. Forecast looks like this for today. Southwest wind comes in at about 5 to 10. That switches to the west during the overnight at about 10, bringing us light chop with 2-foot seas. Nice day to be out there on the waters, I think. Forecast looking like this for today. Daytime high tops out mild at around 83 degrees. 10% chance of showers. And then on Tuesday, 84 degrees. And on Valentine's Day, of course, looks pretty good for us. I don't think we'll have much in the way of any kind of problems here. Our daytime high, 81. By the time we get to Valentine's Day around dinner time, should be nice with a temperature coming in at around 72 by 7 p.m. under partly cloudy skies and a very mild evening as well. So the forecast for the remainder of the week ahead looks warm, well above average. If you want to know how warm it's going to be for the entire rest of the month, I've posted that on my website. John Scalzi ABC7 shows the extended range forecast by the Climate Prediction Center, and I'll tell you what, even through April, they are projecting above average temperatures. That graph available. Taking a look at our current temperatures for the rest of the week, again, 80s will be a dominant feature. Back to you.